Happy birthday! Nako, mahina, lakasan natin!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! O, mabilis, may kasama palakpak. Go! Happy birthday! Yung malakas! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! O, isa pa! Happy birthday! Lakasan natin!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Okay, mabagal! Happy birthday! Yan, maganda yung premyo. Kailangan malakas! Okay! Okay, sabay-sabay tayo say happy birthday, Sean! Isa pa yung malakas! Yung mas malakas! Yung pinakamalakas!
Happy birthday!
Yung pinakamahina!
Happy birthday!
Ayan, okay pa, nagbakan. Okay, sige, ilang taon na si Sean? Ilang taon na siya? 1 year old. Okay, so thank you very much po kay Sean Giladi. So later, sasamahan natin siya sa pag-blow ng kanyang kidlat, pero mamaya pa yun. Thank you po, Dad. And then, syempre,
What's up, show, but I know what I'm doing. It's the only way we know how to rock. It's the only way we know I miss you. And now I want if I could fall into the sky. Different time passing by. No, I wanna down in my I need you, and I miss you. And now I want if I could fall.
Pagkanta or pag-greet. Ayun, meron palang lighter si Kuya Wak. Okay, so ready? So sabay-sabay tayo. Lakasan natin. Okay, gaya kanina, slow at yung fast birthday song. So sasabayan ulit natin. Okay? So ready? Talagin ko muli mga friends. Game na ba kayo lahat? Baka parang hindi pa, parang iba, parang may ginagawa pa. Ulitin ko, game na ba lahat? Okay, so ready? Okay, ngayon kailangan malakas na, mas malakas, para masaya. Ready and sing! Happy birthday to you! Yan, mahina pa, lakasan pa natin. Happy birthday to you! Very good.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
Okay,
you.
kasama naman palakpak.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Once more, happy birthday to you. Malakas.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy
Okay, so sige naman tayo. Bilang tayo ng 1, 2, and 3 and then iboblow na ni Special yung kanyang candle. So, malakas na pagbilang ha. Ready! Ready and... camera. Ready and bilang! Oh! Time out na wala yung simple. Ayan. Lumakas yung hangin. Yun na yung ino-order nila lagi. Mukhang pa darating. Okay, ulit ha. Bilang tayo ng 1, 2, 3. Malakas. Ready? Bilang! 1, 2, 3, blow! Palakpakan! Nauna po ba, tita? Isa pa. Memorize yung kanilang wish. Okay, so unang mag-wish, sino ba una? Si Mami, si Daddy? Unahin na natin yung ating si Mami muna, ladies first. Pinaka-sexy at pinaka-maganda si Mami. Palakpakan naman natin. Ayan, okay, so Mami. Tissue kailangan po. Ayan po tayo. Palakpakan!
good health, tapos long life.
Haba, pinag-practice yan. Ayan. Okay, so thank you very much po kay Mami. Na siyempre, kung meron tayong pinaka-sexy at pinaka-maganda si Mami, yung ating pinaka-gwapo at pinaka-matching si Daddy. Malapakan naman natin si Daddy. Okay, so Dad, birthday wish.
Maging mabait na bata at may tao sa Diyos. And good health.
Ayan, okay, palapakan naman natin. Ayan, okay, so siyempre kailangan lagi tayo mayroong wish na pag-may birthday. And then siyempre kung may wish si ating Mami at Daddy, may wish ka rin, Kuya Sean. Ayan, may wish. Okay, text mo na lang ha, text mo na lang. Bigyan ka cellphone Daddy ha. Okay, so kung may wish yung ating Mami at Daddy, siyempre hindi mo wala. Nandiyan po ba si Lolo at si Lola? Si Lolo. Unahin mo natin si Lola. Lola, birthday wish po. Alam ko pong pinag-isipan nyo may idea. Okay, makakabang na sabihin. Okay lang, take time. Okay, Lola?
Uy!
Palakpakan naman natin si Lola. Ayan, okay. Si Lolo po, nandiyan po ba? Isa. Ayan. Lolo, ba? Lolo na. Ayan. Batang Lolo. Okay, Lolo.
Para kay Sean, good health lang. Yung mabait na bata.
Okay, palakpakan din natin si Lolo, siyempre. Okay, so lahat ng wish ni Mami, ni Daddy, ni Lola at Lola, sana ay matupad. Okay, then siyempre kami nagawagi, siyempre kaya nga sinabi, Daddy, Mami, good health, and then siyempre, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, yung magkaroon siya ng takot sa Diyos, ang God's Spirit. And always be, naku, mahina, and always be, always be glad, and always be happy. Palakpakan naman natin si Sean. Okay, so thank you very much po, Dad. So yung mga cake, pwede na po natin papasok, baka po magkaroon ng mga bata nito. Okay, for the meantime, ito. Sino yung mga tapos na kumain mga friends ko? Ayan, okay, oh, meron siya.